Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing two popular models, the Heygelo S90, also known as the Pocket Rocket, and the Loiley Drone, affectionately called the Loiley Flyer. Let's see which one takes flight. First up, let's talk about the price. The Heygelo S90 is a budget-friendly option at $59, making it an attractive choice for those looking to dip their toes into the world of drones without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Loiley Drone is priced at $99, which is a bit steeper. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Heygelo S90, but some feel that the Loiley Drone offers features that justify its higher price tag. Now, let's zoom in on the cameras. Both drones come equipped with a 1080p HD camera. The Heygelo S90 promises beautiful aerial scenery, making it a great choice for social media enthusiasts. Reviewers have praised its camera quality, though some note that the livestream quality could be better. The Loiley Drone, however, allows remote camera angle adjustments by 90 degrees and has an upgraded hover system and optical flow positioning. This makes it a more versatile option for capturing different angles and stable shots, as noted by users. Next, let's talk about flight functions. The Heygelo S90 is packed with tricks, including 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and circle flights. Reviewers love its fun and dynamic capabilities, making it a hit at family gatherings. The Loiley Drone also offers 360 degrees flips, gravity sensing, and the ability to define flight routes. Additionally, it allows you to add music and filters to your footage, which reviewers find adds an extra layer of fun and creativity. Let's discuss flight time and portability. The Heygelo S90 offers up to 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries and is foldable for easy transport. Reviewers appreciate its long battery life and portability. The Loiley Drone offers a similar flight time of 25 to 30 minutes and is lightweight, weighing under 250 grams, which means no FAA registration is required. Users find it easy to carry around and suitable for spontaneous adventures. Now, on to user-friendliness and safety. The Heygelo S90 is designed with beginners in mind, featuring one-key start, land, altitude hold, and propeller guards. Reviewers find it user-friendly and safe, even for kids. The Loiley Drone includes similar features like one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and emergency stop. It also has a low battery warning on the remote, which reviewers appreciate for added safety. Lastly, let's talk about customer support. The Heygelo S90 offers product support, though details are sparse. Reviewers have had mixed experiences, but appreciate the company's effort in providing advice and support. The Loiley Drone, however, stands out with 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and money-back services. Reviewers feel well supported and confident in their purchase. Overall, the Heygelo S90 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun flight functions, making it a great entry-level drone. The Loiley Drone, while more expensive, is lauded for its advanced features, stability, and comprehensive customer support, making it a solid choice for those willing to invest a bit more. So, there you have it. The Heygelo S90 is a fun, budget-friendly option, while the Loiley Drone offers more advanced features and better support. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description. Happy flying!